This is so fancy. I feel like I'm opening the Rolls Royce of keyboards here. I've never seen the Line Friends production units. Bruh. Come on, bro. This is so cute. Look at this. This is a client build we're doing today. I am super happy we get to see one of the production units, but come on, bro. We need more little cute things like this in keyboards. What is this? This is cute as heck, bro. Look at this. Oh, wait. This is so different. What the? Why is this so cute? Why is everything about this like that lining? No. Line Friends. So again, this is a client keyboard. It's so nice of them to label it too. Honestly, I would not have known. The colors of even the O-rings are cute. They're Line Friends for sure. No wonder the lining is nice. Yeah, this is super cute. Polypropylene or copper. I'm probably gonna say let's go with PP because copper. I don't know how the copper plate's gonna sound. I'm not confident with the copper decision. And there's two PCBs here. We're doing the soldered one today, but I'm not too confident in copper. So I think we're doing PP. This is so fancy. I feel like I'm opening the Rolls Royce of keyboards here. This is actually a board. Also the PCB, super cute. Like, come on, bro. Apparently is a polycarbonate one. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know there was a PC one. The PC is very well done on this. Look at that. What the? Oh, this is pretty. So this is copper and polycarbonate. Wow. This is such a pretty looking keyboard. Well, this was done in collaboration, I believe, with like it's officially licensed, but I believe this was actually designed. If I'm not incorrect on this, I'm pretty positive it was JJW. So the same person who's brought us the cloud line and the derivative. So it does have a good, solid, designer within the hobby behind it, but it is a collaboration. God damn, this is hella cute though. And here's the weight on the back. Little Line Friends. Oh wait, is this a limited edition? I don't know if you guys can see the numbering on this. Oh, you really can't. It says Mino keys 5 out of 10. So I'm guessing this was a limited edition one. Ooh, I'm gonna have to take some photos of this. It's friends and family? I had no idea. Damn. More like 10 out of 10. All editions are limited. Very pretty. And I think everything's already installed in this keyboard as far as I know, but the purple, and there's also a white PCB too. And I believe there's LEDs on. Does the hot swap version not have LEDs? This version does. I see little LEDs in this one. Interesting. I didn't know they made two. It's missing the switches. Thanks, Adam. 2 LEDs. Huh, interesting. The hot swap is brand new. How come they didn't decide to put LEDs in the hot swap version? That's interesting. I know there was non-polycarbonate units, but all right. Let's do O-ring, but because Wade did want O-ring here, which durometer O-ring should we use? I'm thinking we use the brown because it's 80A, and that's more my preference. Good old Teehee types. Love that guy. Pink because cute. Is this supposed to slot in the bottom? I can't remember how the Line Friends works. The purple PCB on this does look pretty nice though, huh? Can you see the O-ring on this? Not really. Can't really see the O-ring. Ooh. The polycarbonate TKL kind of goes hard though. Like this looks so interesting. Although after stream I do this, I noticed even before I started soldering this in, there was a lot of residual solder splatter all over the back of the PCB. So I'll have to go in and try my best to clean some of it off. I guess it's from the last person who built in it, but I'll do my best. I can't promise it'll be 100% clean, but yeah, these Zinhais, they're stock, so they're the HMX lubed versions. Is this PC line TKL Proto? So, from what I understand, it was friends and family, and it seems like only a little bit of them were made. Like a very small amount of these things were. Ooh, this thing looks like a cloud. Oh my god. Dude. Oh shit. This thing's kind of cute. I like it better without the RGB. It looks so much nicer without the RGB. It's cool that it has it though. So we have some X-ray keycaps. We have a Line Friends polycarbonate board. We're using a PP plate. And we have the 80 durometer, so the 80A O-ring as the mounting style for this. And we're using Zinhai switches. Wow, this is gonna sound... you know what? I don't even know the right word to describe this. It definitely has like a pop to it. It's loud. I mean, you can literally hear the bottoming out of some of the switches. Like, it's loud. Oof. There's some variation on this side of the board that I'm kind of really vibing with. I kind of was hoping the whole Efro would sound like this. But it's not. But, dude, that's kind of insane. Let's tune up the spacebar just a smidge. Again, small little tip. I like throwing in small little pointers and stuff. I know people who are here regularly are probably sick of me saying it, but only add a little bit of lube every time you go to... Yeah, like, that fixed it perfectly. You only want to put a little bit. You don't want to go like super crazy because you could end up putting too much, and then what happens is the lube will settle underneath the stab stem, and you'll end up with a new ticking sound, which is the lube suctioning to the bottom of the PCB. Or sorry, the top of the PCB. So you could end up with another unfavorable sound. So you always want to just do it in small increments, and just a reminder for people. Do you remember how the blue aluminum Proto Line Friends TKL sounded? I think I used, for that one there, did I not use a aluminum plate? I don't really remember it, to be honest. I don't remember it too well. Not much at all. I think this Line Friends turned out so nice, actually. Very happy with it. This turned out lovely. Bye, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.